Hey Fauhowers, in this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on Facebook Messenger. This tutorial is very useful for you who wants to block someone on Facebook Messenger. For the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's just open Facebook Messenger. After opening Facebook Messenger, here are the people you have chatted before. If you want to block someone here, just tap to the right on the person we want to block, like this. And then we can see here there are two options, more and archive. Just tap more. And we can see here, just tap block. And there are two options here, block messages and calls and block on Facebook. They are different. If we choose block messages and calls, your Facebook account will receive messages or calls from that person. And that person's account will be blocked on Facebook. You may still be able to see that person's posts, comments, and reactions on Facebook. If you are in chat groups or rooms with this person's account, you will still be able to see and communicate with each other. And if we choose to block on Facebook, all of this person's messages and calls will also be blocked. And this person will not be able to see our profile page, our posts, and our comments. You have to know that if you choose to block on Facebook, if you block a friend, it means that you will be unfriend with that person. And if you just want to block that person on Facebook Messenger, so just choose to block messages and calls. Just tap block messages and calls. Block messages and calls, the conversation will stay in chats unless you hide it. Okay, just tap block. After blocking messages and calls, this person will not be able to send messages and calls you. I hope this tutorial is very useful for you and helping you in blocking someone on Facebook Messenger. Don't forget to subscribe to Fauhow channel and make sure that you have turned on notification so that you will be the first person I notify when I upload the latest video about digital tutorial. Thank you.